y'all, it's Brittaineayy. And I received yet another package in the mail. This time it's a little bit different. So I already took this out of the bag, or out of the box and bag and everything. Nexgadget. So let's see. Nexgadget holiday projector, light battery operated 2-in-1 portable party light and handheld flashlight with 12 slides. So it does come with a little thing that tells you what it is, and then it comes with the instructions, which I never read instructions. I'm a hands-on girl, so sound like I said I'm a handsome girl. I am a hands-on type of person, girl. So I definitely have to like touch and feel before I ever look at instructions, which rarely do I ever look at instructions. I get that from my dad. He's very like fix it, do it before instructions. So these are all the instructions if you do like to read. But since I'm not that girl, we're gonna do what I'm gonna do. So, but they do have a tripod so you can lay it on the ground, and my fiance was like, what is this right here? Like, why is that even a thing? And then he's like, well, maybe you clip it to your shirt. And then we were like, but that doesn't make sense why you would clip a tripod, just a hanging tripod, by your shirt. So he was like, it's a cool little clip-on gadget, you know, this instead of like a flower or something. But yeah, but it does give you a tripod. You just screw it into the bottom down here, and then you just screw it in, and then you can take it wherever and put it on the counter, put it on the couch, like wherever you want to put it. I mean, it might even grip around something, like if you bend, but you can kind of hear when it bends. So I don't think you could do that too many times before like something bad would happen. But for just a brief moment, I'll show you kind of what the slides, okay, yeah, kind of what the slides do, and then you can pause the slide whenever you want it to be paused. And then when you take the slide out, then it makes like these little bubble type of things on the wall. So, and again, you can pause if you want to, and then this is the last one's to turn off the thing. But so to insert the slide, there will be, okay, those are the off and on stuff, whatever. But to insert the slide, you can see the little bar in between. You do have to make sure the slide, it does have two sides. It's not a two-sided where it does something different. It's just a two-sided where like the flat surface, which would be this side, is gonna go in. I have stupid flies, I'm so sorry. But this, the flat side, right? Yeah, okay. So yeah, the flat side goes in, and you have to make sure that it's not sticking out like that. It is clicked all the way down, so only the little tab shows. Because I found out the hard way, if you don't let it do that and you just have it where it's bumped up, then it does this. Let's see. See those white flakes in the back? Let's see if I can pause on the white flakes. I don't know if I can. Okay. These, wait. Oh my god. Those white flakes right there are not supposed to be part of that. So when you click it down, then those white flakes go away. And then you have your slide again where you can have fun and stuff. So if you don't click it all the way down, those white flakes show. So I did learn my lesson. I will insert dark pictures so you can see. And then I do not have it on the house, which, okay, it does come with a charger, so I did forget to say that. So it does come with a charging port, which you would buy your own, like either buy your own or you would have one from your phone. But so this is the round little charger. Okay, come on, camera, come on, we can do this. Oh my god, I'm trying so desperately to show y'all. Okay, there you go. So the little hole, and then it has a hole right there on the side, right there, and then I am so sorry for the flies. But anyway, so then you just plug it in and then it's like that, and then you'll, this comes untied, it's just untied right now anyways, and then you'll charge it. So when you see your light going dim is whenever, like when you see the light going dim is whenever you probably should charge it. But either way, it's a very cool little gadget, and my daughter already is running around the house with it and loves it. So I am super thankful for the company to help me out and be able to let me experience this, as well as, I mean, look, that's cute. We just go around like, I'm trying on everyone. But she loves it. I mean, it makes her happy, and it's a pretty cool thing. So I hope y'all like this video. I'll have more in the future, probably, of different types of things, so that way y'all can see how each one does. And why is my hair not wanting to work with me today? But yeah, so I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and let me know your thoughts down below of what you think of all the slides, and tell me which one is your favorite. My favorite are the 2 Halloween ones, just because it's about to be Halloween, and I am that person who like wishes it was Halloween every month. I guess because Halloween is like right before, like, it starts getting fall, and then all the nice weather, and like it's not hot, it's not cold, it's just like, it's right before you get to the cold. So it's just like a nice, and all the orange and orange colors and all that. It's my favorite month. I don't know, my favorite holiday. But y'all let me know what your favorite holiday is, and what your favorite slide in this is, and if you've ever had one of these things or something close to it. Don't forget to like the video if you do like the video, to let me know that you would like to continue seeing videos from me, but also videos of the different things I get. And if you don't like the video, then do what you have to do. But I hope you enjoy and have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.